Hey guys, Mike here. I know I've been away from the channel for a while. Had to focus on life, changed my career a little bit, and got away from the car scene while the kids were young. They're getting a little bit older, so I finally have picked up a new toy, and it's time to introduce it to you guys. Lo and behold, I just picked up a 2003 Corvette Z06. Car has approximately 41,000 miles on it. It is in torch red. Still dirty. I haven't had them detail it yet. It's been raining here pretty bad for the last few days. Just wanted to take a quick walk around. I've always wanted a Z06. I wasn't specifically looking for this one though. Just kind of fell into my lap at work. I work for a Chevy dealership. Came up for sale for a really good price. I am the fourth owner, which is surprising with only 41,000 miles. It's got brand new tires on it. All the maintenance has been kept up. It's in really good shape. A couple of small paint blemishes and a couple of small spots, like here on the door. Let's go ahead and step inside. Pretty good seats, no real wear. The trunk cover, lid cover fell off. I do gotta get that fixed. Let's grab the key here out of my pocket. As you can see here, 41,000 miles. Go ahead and give it a start. Starts right up every time. It is warm. I was just on a drive. As far as I can tell, the car is 100% stock other than an air filter. It does have the active handling, memory seats, heads-up display. Passenger seat's almost perfect as well. Let's go ahead and step out back here. One more walk around of the car. I think I do want to do the halo LED taillights. I'm going to do a short antenna. Going to be doing wheels. One of my wheels does have a little bit of curb rash on it. I'm going to have to replace this light down here that's cracking a little bit. Anyway guys, I just want to give you a quick walk around of the Z06. Once I get my camera set up this week, we'll go for a drive. If you've got any questions about this or any of the other videos on my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.